This next pose is known as high lunge, and it is preparation for warrior one pose, which we will be learning this week. Bring your mat to a wall that is a wall you can put your hands on, so not a wall that has a window right there. Place your mat, guys, such that the short edge of the mat is along the joint of the floor and the wall, and the mat is moving long ways away from the wall. Facing the wall, come into downward dog position with the fingertips touching the base of the wall, feet towards the back edge of the mat. On your next inhale, bring your right foot forward, so far forward that the big toe is touching the base of the wall. Hands on either side of the right foot. Look back at the left foot. Wiggle that foot far back enough, guys, so that the ball of the foot is directly underneath the heel. On your next inhale, bring your hands up onto your right knee. Pause here. On the next inhale, come upright with the right leg mostly straight, sort of halfway between straight and at a 90-degree angle. The back heel is off the ground. Support the hands on the wall in front of you. Now investigate the relationship of the knees to the feet. Both knees should be facing forward toward the wall and down, and both feet facing straight forward. Knees lined up with the same direction of the feet. Beautiful. Now, squeeze both inner thighs together. Pull the front foot toward the back foot toward the front foot to draw your right hip back and your left hip forward. This will bring the hips square with the wall in front of you. Keep the squareness of the hips now by pulling the navel in and up toward the spine and letting the tailbone drop toward the ground. Keep all that muscular energy of the feet drawing together. Now simultaneously push the feet down and out into the ground. And on your next inhale, bring the hands away from the wall. Bring the hands onto the hips and sink into that right knee going toward a 90-degree angle. Knee stays centered above the ankle, not to either side. Nice. Breathe here. Keep drawing muscle energy up into the hips and pushing down into the ground. And from that solid base of support, option here of inhaling, bring the arms out in front of you, plug the shoulders in, and inhale, bring the arms all the way up above the head, straight arms, energy moving out through the fingers. Nice, guys. Exhale, bring the hands to the wall. Bring the hands back down to the ground. Push back into down dog. Wiggle the hips and the legs out a little bit. Inhale, bring the left foot forward, left toes touching the ground. Both hands on either side of the left foot. Wiggle the right foot back until the heel is right above the ball of the foot. Inhale, bring your hands up onto the left knee. Next inhale, firm your legs and come more upright, taking the hands onto the wall for support. Check out your knees in relation to the feet, both facing the same direction. Your left knee doesn't have to be fully straight here or fully at a 90, something in between. Pull both legs together to draw the hips to face more square toward the wall. And now keep all that stability in the hips by drawing the navel in and tailbone sinking down toward the ground. As you keep drawing the legs together, simultaneously push the feet down and out into the ground. And on your next inhale, bring the hands away from the wall onto the hips. From the steadiness and support of the legs, sink into that left knee, bringing it close to or to a 90-degree angle, not more than. Knee not coming in front of ankle. Beautiful. Option to stay here, or inhale, bring the arms out in front of you. Plug the arm bones back in. Inhale, bring the arms all the way up above. Keep the navel drawing in. Keep the tailbone scooping. 2 more breaths here. Doing great. At the end of your second exhale, bring the hands to the wall. Bring the hands back down to the mat, either side of the foot. Step back into down dog. And as you're ready, come to standing.